Voicing 40 Plus Microsoft Teams. So what we have inside, some Sync 40 series USB. So we have here some instruction, first time use. Activate by connecting USB cable to power source until it's light up. Computer setup. Siri, Google Assistant. Serving speakerphones. Some certification. Okay, then we have here some USB key from the POI. And the and some papers. Compliance information. And next, papers, direction. Okay, now we can go on the foil. We can open it. So this. Okay. So we have here some Microsoft Teams, Bluetooth minus push and microphone on off, optimize in POI software. Nice design. When we return it, we can see here some connection cable from USB to USB-C, I think, and type of the model, cable, and some QR codes. So if you want to buy the same, the price is around €100, $100, and in the next video we can try using this together. So for now, thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe for next video.